That's my passion. In fact, I was writing about this earlier today. What's my mission? And my mission is, just as Andrea was saying, why do we want to do this? Because we want to connect to not only what was given to us in our biology and by our creator, uh, that we have, that's an asset to help us, but I think it's the way we're supposed to live. I think it's the way we're supposed to be, and to be the fullest that we can be as human beings, as souls, as creatures that God has created. And if everybody can do that, and I believe in the goodness of all that is, and I believe that that is our inner nature, and our inner nature is love. And if we develop our intuition, which is that special superpower that was given to us to help live the best that we can, then think of what the world would be like. And think, how we could connect to each other and reach into and be what we really are, which is that infinite love. And that's why I do it. I want to help people so we could be that and be connected all the time. Have no more fear, no more anxiety, because we're always supported, we're always loved, we are always guided to the best for us, and this is the way to do it. This is the way to do it.